Hello. I just wanted to take a minute and make a video about anyone who's thinking about doing motorcycle fairing repair. Because I know there's a lot of people out there that just have bikes with cracks on them or whatever. It's a good way to just get that quickly fixed, and it'll look good after when it's done. My bike had the left side fairing. The previous owner, he dropped it just at a standstill and has a nice thick crack all the way down in there through the mount and then all the way down here, and when it hit the side of the crankcase it just webbed out and went down towards here and a little bit over here. But I've got it all done and saying I did it yesterday, and I'll show you the back side. Nope. So this is kind of an alternative to really expensive kits, or if you just want to do it really quickly, and it works. I tested it. All I did was, here, I've got a soldering iron down here. See, it's got a pyramid shape on it, so I just kind of ground it down a little bit, and I heated it up really good, and I just tipped it into the plastic and went along the crack to make a small valley, and then I went over it again to make a larger valley about halfway down into the part. And then I just went online and found out that this was made of ABS plastic, so I went down to, it's gonna sound funny, but I went down to Staples and I bought a clipboard that was made of ABS plastic, and I just cut strips out of it, and I heated it up and put it right in there. But I didn't weld it yet, and then once I had the material inside the valley, I went over it really slowly to heat both of them up together and put them together. So it was a little tedious, took a few hours, but and I also put in a couple pieces that were chipped out of the one mount, just kind of tacked them in and then welded them up after. But it's really strong, and the part acts the same as when it was before it was broken, because my other fairing is perfectly fine. It's sanded and ready to go. And yeah, this was only $1 or $2, and if you don't mind just taking the time to do it, it works perfectly fine. I can bend it, it doesn't crack, very strong, and I just got to sand it down a bit because it's a little messy on the back, but it's going to be primed and painted in a few weeks, so it's not bad. It's going to look good when it's done, but yeah, this thing's going to look really good when it's done. So that's kind of my cheap alternative to, buying. I tried to find a ABS filler rod, but I don't know, couldn't get any around here. I didn't want to order any, so I just took the cheap route, and I had a couple of friends who did the same thing, but with trucks and stuff, but nobody had done it with a motorcycle fairing, so I don't know, this stuff's not bad. It's really smooth, you can't even tell the crack was there, and when the paint's on it you won't even know, so it's gonna look good. So I hope that was a little bit of help or useful. So okay, thank you.